Could you weather the storm of an invasion? Do you have the necessary provisions to hold your ground? These questions may seem far-fetched, but in an ever-changing world, preparedness can be the difference between survival and despair. First on the list of essentials to stockpile is water. Clean, potable water serves as the lifeblood of survival. Aim to store a minimum of 1 gallon per person per day, sufficient for both drinking and sanitation. Secondly, a stockpile of non-perishable food items is a must. Canned goods, dried fruits, nuts and grains can sustain you and your loved ones for an extended period. Remember, it's about survival, not luxury. Next, think about medical supplies. Over-the-counter medications, bandages, antiseptics, and prescription medications are vital. Health is wealth, especially in times of crisis. On to shelter. Blankets, sleeping bags, and tents can provide protection from the elements. Also consider tools for building and repairing. Hammers, nails, duct tape, and rope could prove invaluable. Communication and power are next. Radios, flashlights, extra batteries, and solar-powered devices can keep you connected and informed. Information is power, and power is survival. A stockpile of fuel is also crucial. Whether it's for heating, cooking, or transportation, ensure you have enough to last. Lastly, consider personal hygiene items and cleaning supplies. Soap, toilet paper, disinfectants, and trash bags are often overlooked, but maintaining cleanliness can prevent disease and infection. To summarize this guide to invasion preparedness, stockpile clean water and non-perishable food items. Ensure you have a sufficient supply of medical essentials. Have materials for shelter and tools for building and repair. Keep communication devices and power sources on hand. Maintain a stockpile of fuel for various uses. Don't forget personal hygiene items and cleaning supplies. In the face of an invasion, preparedness is the key to survival. By considering these essentials and taking action now, you can ensure that you're ready to weather any storm. Remember, it's not about fear, but preparation. So, do you have what it takes to survive?